Yes, 15th question. Continuation of yesterday's worksheet, children. 15th question is the next question. An object is placed infinity. Children, object distance is infinity. Okay, object distance is infinity. Object is placed at infinity. Okay, and the pole, an object is placed between infinity and pole of a convex mirror is infinity. Draw a ray diagram and also state the position, relative size, and nature of the image formed. From convex mirror, he said. From convex mirror. So, convex mirror, we have two ray diagrams, if ever you all remember. One is object at infinity, other one is anywhere on the principal axis. One is object at infinity, other one is anywhere on the principal axis. One is object at infinity. Object at infinity for convex mirror, it looks like this, children. Object at infinity. So, convex mirror, children, compulsory you have to do silvering. If you don't do silvering, they will give not give marks. This is 4. So light rays are coming from infinity. 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 All of them undergo reflection. All of them
Reflect.
undergo reflection. 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 When they do reflection, but when they extended back,
They meet on focus.
they meet on focus. They meet on focus. Okay. Now what are the characters of image? What are the characters of image? Virtual,
Erect.
point size on F. Virtual, erect, point size on F. These are the characters. When object is at infinity in the convex mirror, characters are virtual because object is here, image is here. So virtual in mirrors. In mirrors. Point size, it looks like a small dot, and on F you are getting children. Okay. 16th question. Draw the ray diagram and also state the position, relative size, and children here also they ask relative size points. Okay, relative size by concave mirror when object is placed at its center of curvature and focus at C and on F. Two ray diagrams for concave mirror they are asking children. For concave mirror, this is your principal axis, children. Pole F C. Never forget to do silvering. Concave mirror, compulsory silvering is important. Now, when object is kept on C, image where you get children on C only. Okay, one ray go like this and through focus, other ray go like this and goes to focus like this. You will get children. Okay. So, what are the characters? Real, inverted, same size, on C.
On C.
Real, inverted, same size. Real, because on same side it is forming real, reverse it is coming inverted, same size on C you will get. Okay, children. Next, on focus if you keep. When object is kept on focus. When object is kept on focus, one ray goes like this, children, and through focus.
Infinite.
On the light ray, go like this, children. When extended back, then both will form virtual image. What is this image, children? Virtual. Other side is virtual, erect, and magnified. We will get virtual, always virtual images are erect. Remember children, always virtual images are erect. So virtual, erect and magnified image you will get in this case when object is kept on focus. Virtual, erect and magnified. Okay children, virtual, erect and magnified. Next question, 17th question. The defined refractive index of a transparent medium. What is the unit which has highest refractive index, glass or water? Defined refractive index. What is refractive index definition, children? Ratio of velocity of light in air to velocity of light
In a given medium.
given medium. We should write, children. Okay, definition, no, very, very important, children. So definition, compulsory when they ask this. Refractive index here, mute your audios, all of you. So refractive index is equal to velocity of light in air by velocity of light in medium. Compulsory definition, you have to write formula, children. When they ask this definition, whether they ask or not, you should write the formula. Velocity of light in air to velocity of light in given medium is refractive index. What are the units, anyone? No units. Why no units? Because both are velocities only. Velocity cancel. So no units. And among glass and air, which has more refractive index among glass and air?
Glass.
Glass, because its density is more. So glass has more refractive index. When you write like this, underline glass.
And when object is on F, image is on infinity.
When object is at
F,
uh,
F sir, image is from an infinity.
yes, no, yes, I'm sorry. Yes, correct. When object is on F, image is formed at infinity. I am saying wrong, and all of you are listening. I'm sorry, Chief. Yeah. When object is on F, image is formed at infinity. Very good, Nana. Very good. Real, inverted, magnified at infinity. Real, inverted, magnified at infinity. Real, inverted, yes, children. On focus means at infinity. It is formed. Yes, very good. So, children, thank you so much. So, this is refractive index question, children. What is the definition of refractive index? Ratio of velocity of light in air to velocity of light in given medium. Velocity of light in air to velocity of light in given medium. Velocity of light in air to velocity of light in given medium. Suppose refractive index of glass, they will ask. What do you write, children? Velocity of light in air by
Velocity of light in
in
glass.
glass. Suppose refractive index of water, they ask. What do you write, children?
Velocity of light
Velocity
in
of
air by
light in air by
velocity of
velocity
light
of
in
light
water.
in water.
Suppose refractive index of diamond, they will ask. What do you write, children? Velocity of light in air to velocity of light in
Velocity of light
diamond.
in
Suppose they will give refractive index of alcohol. What do you write, children? Velocity of light in
velocity
alcohol,
of
air
light in
by
alcohol in velocity of light in air.
velocity of light in air by velocity of light in alcohol. So, children, like this, you should write, children. Very 18th question. 18th question. The image of candle flame placed at a distance of 25 centimeters. Object is kept at 25 centimeters. No, 45. Children, see here, all of you. 45 centimeters. 45 centimeters forms a from a spherical lens. This is the lens it seems. Children. This is a lens. Okay. From spherical lens is formed on screen. Formed on screen means real image. Children.
Real.
Okay. At a distance of 90 centimeters. 90 centimeters. Question is, at a distance of identify the type of lens and calculate focal length if height of the flame is 2 centimeters. Children, image is formed. So is it convex or convex, children?
Convex.
Compulsory it is convex because real images are formed only in convex lens and other side is saying. Okay, children, convex lens because the real image is said, children. Because it is
U is minus.
yeah, u is always minus, v is plus. Because he said this is lens,
On
object is here, image is here. Object side is negative, image side is positive, so V is positive. Okay, children? And all real images are inverted, children. Remember, all real images are inverted. So, let's find out focal length, children. 1 by F is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U, which is a lens. Okay, 1 by F is equal to 1 by 90 minus of minus 1 by 45. Yes, 1 by F is equal to 1 by 90 plus 1 by 45. Yes, what is the LCM, children? 90 is the LCM. 1 plus 2. 1 by F is equal to 3 by 90. F is equal to 30 centimeters. Plus we got so convex lens on the children. So children, magnification. Magnification is V by U. Magnification is 90 by minus 45. Magnification is minus 2. Minus means what, children? Inverted.
Inverted.
2 means what, children?
Right.
Magnified. Okay, V by U is equal to H dash by H. V is how much, children? 90. U is how much, children? Minus 45. H dash, H is how much, children? 2. This is 2. H dash became minus 4. Magnification 2 times means definitely 2 will become 4. Magnification 2 times means 2 to the 4 only it will become. Now, children, yeah, F is 30, 2F is 60, object distance is 45. Heading for red diagram?
2F. Between F and 2F.
Yes, between F and 2F, children. Heading for the ray diagram is between F and 2F. Between F and 2F. Hope you are all are copying, children. Everyone should copy. No one is sitting idle. If you sit idle nicely, you will get sleep after some time. Okay, children. So this is F, this is 2F, this is F, this is 2F. Between F and 2F, if you write one ray like this, it goes like this, children. And children beyond 2F, you will get it. Okay, beyond 2F. Under ray going to optic center does not deviate, So you get what are the characters, children? Real, inverted, magnified,
Beyond 2F.
beyond 2F. Real, inverted, magnified, beyond 2F, and compulsory measurements you should write, children. You should draw measurements also on the diagram, children. What is object distance, children? What is object distance? 45. What is the image distance? 90. Object size is how much, children? 2.
2
Image size is how much?
minus
4.
4, of
4.
course.
Okay, children. So like this, you have to do the numericals. Children, 19th question. So 19th question. An object 2 centimeters in size. Please see here, children. Object 2 centimeters in size is placed 30 centimeters. 30 centimeters in front of a concave mirror. Concave mirror. 30 centimeters in front of a concave mirror of focal length 15 centimeters. Of focal length 15 centimeters. Focal length 15 centimeters. At what distance from the mirror should the screen be placed? Means where you will get the image is asking. So that screen will be placed to obtain a sharp image. What will be the nature, size, ray diagram, etc., etc. Of course, whether they ask or not, we will do no children. Magnification, everything we will do. Whether they ask or not, we have to do. It is our duty. Okay. Let's see here, children. So object distance is always minus. Concave means we will take plus or minus, children. Focal length.
Minus, sir.
Minus, sir.
Minus. And this is mirror. Mirror's formula. 1 by f is equal to 1 by b plus 1 by u.
1 by v plus 1 by u, 1 by minus 1 by 15 is equal to 1 by v plus minus 1 by 30 minus 1 by 15 is equal to 1 by v minus 30 minus 30 is that side. 1 by v is equal to minus 30 minus 1 by 15. 1 by v is equal to 30 LCM. 1 minus 2. 1 by v is equal to 1 by 30 minus 1 by 30. V is equal to minus 30
V is
centimeter.
equal to magnification minus v by u.
Minus v by u, minus of minus 30 by 30. 30, 30 cancel.
So magnification is minus 1.
Minus 1.
Magnification is minus 1 is what, Nana?
Inverted, same
Same
size.
size.
Same size. H dash by h is
By
equal to
h is
v by
equal
u.
to minus v by
Yeah, minus. So how much we got? That is already
minus 1. Yes, so h dash is equal to minus 2 centimeters.
So this is 15, that is 30. Object distance is 30. Heading for radiogram?
On
to
to
F.
On to F. On C. On C. Heading for radiogram is on C. When you keep object on C, you will get image also on C, children. So these two silvering, children. Silvering is important. This is pole, this is focus, this is C. And pole is how much, children? 15, this is 30. On C means you get image also on C, like this, children, like this. Okay, so please draw neatly, children, in exam. This is 2, this is also 2. And object distance is how much, children? 30. Image distance is also 30. What are the nature of the what is the nature of image? Real, inverted, same size, on C. Real, inverted, same size, on C. I hope everyone are copying, children. Please keep copying, children. If I ask you to send the notes, you have to send the notes. You have to share with me. If not, I will discuss with your parents regarding that, children. Everyone are copying. That's it. Nobody sitting idle. There is 19th question is over, children. Next question. So they have said 20th question, a convex lens, children. This time they said about a convex lens. Okay. A convex lens has a focal length of 10 centimeters. A convex lens has a focal length of 10 centimeters. At what distance from the lens should the object be placed? He is asking object distance, children, so that it forms a real and inverted image. He only said nice. Now, children, real and inverted image, he said, at a distance of 20 centimeters away from the lens. Of course, real images are inverted, children, but they said in the lens, children, object is here, real image will be other side. So we will take this as plus or minus, children. Object is here, image is here. So plus we will take, children. Plus we will take. So 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u, children. So 1 by 10 is equal to 1 by 20 minus 1 by u, children. This goes here, and this is plus, children, because it is convex. 1 by u is equal to 1 by 20 minus 1 by 10. So, children, what happens means 1 by u is equal to 20 LCM. 1 minus 2.
Minus 2.
1 by u is
So
equal
u
to
is equals to minus 1 by 20. U is equals to minus 20 centimeters.
Always object distance will come in minus only. That's you know all of it. Magnification is v by u. 20 by minus 20. Magnification is -1 children. What does -1 indicate children?
Same size. Sorry,
Inverted,
inverted and
same size. Inverted and same size. V by U is equal to H dash by H children. V by U, how much we got children? -1. H dash by H, how much children? H. Oh, they didn't give, sorry children. Magnification is just same size. So children, object focal length is 10, 2f is 20, and object image distance is 20, object distance is 20.
on 20. Sorry, on to F.
On to
On to F.
on to F.
On to F means like this it will come children. Optic center F to F, F to F, 20, 40. Sorry, 10, 20. 20. Here object, so image will come here children. One ray comes like this, goes like this. On the light ray goes like this. What is object distance? 20. Image distance 20. And what are the characters? Real, inverted, same
Inverted,
size.
same size, on to F.
Real inverted same size onto F. Real inverted same size onto F. Real inverted same size onto F. 21st question. A concave lens, children. Concave lens. Okay. Of focal length, how much children? 20 centimeters. At what distance object should be kept from a lens? A 5 centimeters tall object should be kept so that it forms an image at 15 centimeters. If you have concave lens nature, what is that? Only one ray diagram is there. What is that?
Anywhere on principal
Anywhere
axis.
on principal axis.
Anywhere on principal axis like this. So children, what are the characters? Virtual, erect, diminished. Object is here, image also here. So image we should take plus or minus, children? Minus. Because object and image are on same side. And since
Focal
concave lens
length minus, sir.
focal length minus children, focal length also minus will take. So now what you will get children? So 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. 1 by minus 20 is equal to minus 1 by 15 minus 1 by u. This here, this here. 1 by u is equal to 1 by 20 minus 1 by 15. Please see here children. 1 by u is equal to 20, 50 LCM, how much children? 63 minus 4, 1 by u is equal to minus 1 by 60. U we got minus 60. Is it correct or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Correct, sir.
Why? Because object
Because
is
V is always minus.
minus. M is equal to minus v, just v by u length, no children. So minus 15 by minus 60. M is equal to plus 1 by 4 children, that is 0.25. What is this children? Erect. And what is this children? Diminished. Yeah, virtual, erect and diminished. Two characters already satisfied. Now v by u is equal to h dash by h. V is u is how much children? Sorry, v by u how much we got children? V by u how much we got?
1 by 4.
1 by 4 we got. 1 by 4 h dash by 5. This will go here children. So h dash is equal to 1.25 centimeters. H dash is equal to 1.25 centimeters. So what are the characters of image? Virtual, actually you should draw at the last. Okay, here first why I drew means why I am taking minus I want to show. That's why I drew first children. Whenever you draw also no problem, because normally in other sums children without knowing focal length and object distance, I can't tell what is a heading. But in concave lens first only why I drew, because there is no heading in concave lens. Only one heading is there anywhere on principal axis. Okay, 22nd question children. What is meant by power of a lens? Power of a lens. Some people are writing inverse of focal length. Okay, if you want to write that, but I want this definition children. It is the
Capacity of length to converge and diverge light rays passing through it.
Very good. I want this definition. It is the capacity of lens to converge and or diverge. It is the capacity of lens to converge or diverge light rays passing through it. Light rays passing through it. It is the capacity of lens to converge or diverge. Convex lens means it will converge children. Okay. Concave lens means what happens children? It will diverge children. Okay, better please try to draw a diagram also children. It increases like you can impress examiner children. It is the capacity of lens to converge or diverge the light rays passing through it. In lens only you will be having no children power. In mirrors you will not have any power only. Okay, so capacity of lens to converge or diverge, capacity of lens to converge or diverge, capacity of lens to converge or diverge, the light is passing through it. Okay, and compulsory children, when they ask power, you should write formula, children. If it is having formula, that definition, please write children always. Okay,
1 by or 100 by
F
F in
in centimeter.
centimeters.
What are the units, children? What are the units of power, children?
Hey,
Diopters. What are the units of power? Diopters. Okay, children. And one student just uses a lens of focal length 50 and then minus 50. State the nature. Okay, children. One student, what is it happening? One student is using plus 50 centimeters, and then you have to leave the gap and write an exam. Okay, minus 50 centimeters. What is the power? Centimeters means 100 by 50 centimeters means 100 by minus 50, children. So here plus 2 diopters
minus 2D.
and here minus 2 diopters. Did you write properly, children? Many of you are writing like a zero, children. Okay, and what is the nature of this, children? What is the nature of this? This is a
Convex.
convex and this is
Concave.
this is concave, children. You should write nature down. You should write convex, concave. Why convex? Because plus why concave? Because it is minus. Okay, children, like this, children. So, why we will take plus and minus, children, any one of you. Focal length, why will take convex plus concave lens minus, children, anyone. Because you see, children, they are coming like this and they are falling like this, children. We will take the distance from here to here. In the direction of light rays only we are going, no, that's right, positive. Whereas here, focal length will come here, no, children. Light, we will take distance like this, but light rays are coming like this. As we are going against the direction of light, we will take negative focal length, children, in concave. You should know, children, meaning you should know, because application type of questions, many things they will ask in CBSE also. You should know, children. Why are you doing certain thing? Then you should know. If you don't know, children, application variety of questions, it will become very difficult for you to do. 23rd question, children. Okay, a 5 centimeter tall object. A 5 centimeter tall object is placed perpendicular to the principal axis of a convex lens. He's saying it is a convex lens of focal length 12 centimeters. Of focal length 12 centimeters. No. Focal length 18 centimeters. 18 at a distance of 12 centimeters. Everything we should do, children. Everything we should do. Okay. Who will tell, children? Anyone student tell? New student. Any means who won't say regularly. Who will tell? Rohan will ask. Rohan, you will tell? Rohan, are you sleeping? Rohan Babu, convex means plus, children. Object distance is minus. Okay. Harsh, are you there? Harsh. Hasib. Srija. Doneshwar. All are sleeping. Doneshwar.
Sir, can I tell?
Wait. Mohan.
Sir,
Who is there? Who is there?
Mohan.
Mohan, tell na. Lens formula tell na. 1 by f is equal to?
1 by V minus 1 by U, sir.
Very good. Keep saying na.
1 by plus 18 equals to 1 by V minus of minus 1 by 12.
Okay.
1 by 18 minus 1 by 12 equals 1 by V, sir.
1 by 80 minus 1 by 12. Okay. 1 by v.
36 LCM.
Very good. 2 minus 3. Keep saying na.
Minus 1 by 36 equals to 1 by V, sir.
Okay.
V equal to minus 36 centimeters.
Okay. V equal minus 6 centimeters. Magnification tell na.
V by U, sir.
Okay.
Minus 36 by minus 12.
Okay.
3 centimeters.
Plus means what na?
Virtual.
Correct. 3 means
Magnified.
h dash by h is equal to v by u. V by u, how much you got? Plus 3. H dash by 5 is equal to 3. H dash is equal to 15 centimeters.
Centimeters.
15 centimeters. Okay. Now, see, this is 18, this is 36. Object distance is 12. What is the heading for ray diagram? Can you tell? Heading for ray diagram? Try, Nana? Try.
Before F, sir. Between
Before
pole
F,
and
fantastic. Between optic center and F. Between optic center and F. Very good. Between optic center and F. In convex lens, children, in convex lens, this is optic center F. 2F, F, 2F, 18, 36, 18, 36. Within F, we give one ray like this, it will come on the right ray like this, children. They both diverge, children. So the next time you write somewhere, you will get where somewhere means y 36. There, it will become 36. So what are the characters of the image, children? What is the character Mohan? What is the character Nana? Same side it is coming virtual.
Virtual erect magnified.
Virtual erect and magnified. Like this we have to do, children. Virtual erect and magnified. These characters nicely down one below each other, big you have to write, children, and don't write short forms at any case. If you write short forms, even if you draw ray diagram, I will give 0. Never write short forms, children. And please, I forgot to put here measurements. No one is telling also. So measurements are very important, children. And this is 5. This is 50. Measurements also should keep, children.
Sir, it will come on 2F or beyond 2F, sir?
Here it is coming on to F, no? 36. Here it is coming, but there is no generalization on between F and no generalization, because this is virtual image. No, for virtual image we can't say where it forms. Wherever it forms, we have to get it. 24, children. 24. What is meant by power of lens? Now only we did not, children. Again, no need to do. What is its SI unit? Diopters. Now only I told, no need to do it. A convex lens of focal length 25 centimeters plus 25 convex, no, children, and a concave lens of focal length 10 cm minus, children, with are kept in contact with each other. Find the power of combination. First, this is P1, 100 by 25. This is P2, 100 by minus 10. P1 plus 4 diopters. P2 minus 10 diopters. What is the power of combination, children? P1
P1
plus
2, so
30.
minus 6 diopters. Okay, if you can't write D properly, write down 4 diopters, children. Power of combination is minus 6 diopters. Power of combination is minus 6 diopters. 25th question, children. With the help of ray diagram, state the meaning of refraction of light. Refraction is compulsory. You should draw a diagram, children. I won't accept whether they ask or not. You should write. Define refraction. This is the question. Bending of light when it enters from one medium to another medium. Bending of light when it enters from one medium to another medium. Bending of light when it enters from one medium to another medium. Okay. Now rarer to denser. Rarer to denser. What happens, children? Rarer to denser.
not
Rarer to denser. It moves
away from normal.
towards RDT. Towards. Okay. Angle of incidence, angle of refraction. Denser to rarer. What happens, children? It moves away from the normal. Okay, please RDT. Remember RDT abbreviation. Okay, denser to rarer. It moves away from the normal angle of incidence, angle. Like this, you have to explain, children. Refraction. Okay, compulsory. You should draw, children. State the meaning of refraction. State the meaning of refraction. Refraction means bending. Refraction means bending. Refraction means bending. Your answer is this one. Underline bending. It occurs. He didn't ask, I am only writing. It occurs. If I am the student, I will write like this. If it occurs because of change in velocity. Change in velocity. It occurs because of change in velocity and change in wavelength. Change in wavelength. Okay, children? Like this. Okay. Next, state Snell's law and also express it mathematically. Snell's law is asking, children. Snell's law. What is Snell's law, children? Ratio of sine of angle of incidence to sine of angle of refraction is constant. You should write full thing, children. You should write full thing. Angle of incidence, so in words you should write. You should not write like this, children. In words you should write. High road you should not write. Refractive index is equal to sine of angle of incidence to sine of angle of refraction. If you don't write this mathematical form, whether they ask or not, no marks, children. Compulsory. Formula you should quote for the examples, children. I mean to say definitions. The refractive index of water is 4 by 3. Numerical. Refractive index of water is 4 by 3. Refractive index of glass is 2 by 3. Refractive index of glass is 2 by 3. If the speed of light in glass is 2 into 10 to the power of 8. 2 into 10 to the power of 8. Refractive index of light in glass is 2 into 10 to the power of 8. Find the speed of light in air and water. Find the speed of light in air and speed of light in water. This is the question. Okay, now children, shall we do? Refractive index of water by refractive index of glass means velocity of light in air by velocity of light in water by velocity of light in air by velocity of light in glass. This cancel, this goes up and this comes down. I want to show you that children, that refractive index like this it will come. Children, see here. Refractive index of water by refractive index of air is equal to, glass is equal to velocity of light in glass by velocity of light in water. Refractive index of water, how much they give children? 4 by 3. Glass, how much they give children? 2 by 3. Velocity of light in glass, how much they give? 2 into 10 to the power of 8. Light in water, we should find out. This goes here, children. Okay, so 4 threes are 12, 2 threes are 6 is equal to 2 into 10 to the power of 8 by velocity of light in water cross multiplication. Velocity of light in water is equal to 2 into 10 to the power of 8 into 6 by 12. 6 twos are 2 to cancel. Okay, children. Anywhere I did mistake, children? 2 by 3 only, no? Again, this goes here, this goes here. 12 by 6. Did I do anywhere mistake? 1 second, children. 4 by 3 they gave and 2 by 3. 4 by 3, 2 by 3. That's it, children. So velocity of light in water we got here 10 to the power of 8 meters per second. We got 10 to the power of 8 meters per second. And he's also asking to find velocity of light in air. So refractive index of either this or this you take. Which one do you want me to show with this or this children? Water or glass? Anyone? Tell me.
Water.
Water. So refractive index of water is velocity of light in air by velocity of light in water. Refractive index of water is how much? 4 by 3. Velocity of light in air is how much, children? We should find. Velocity of light in water, how much we got? 10 to the power of 8. So velocity of light in air is equal to 1.33 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. We got. Okay, children. Somehow we are missing the correct answer, children. I don't know what happened, but this is how we are getting. Did we do any mistake, children? Please check anywhere. Did we do any mistake? Because velocity of light in air should come 3, no, children. All rubbish answers we are getting. Velocity of light in water is 10 to the power less than 8 it is coming.
Sir, velocity of light in glass by velocity of light in water we should take.
Anything is okay, Nana. They are inversely proportional. That is pakka. That is not the way. Velocity of light in glass they gave children. Okay. I don't know what's happening because 4 by 3 and 2 by 3 also. Maybe I think children, I think so. I think this is 3 by 2 children. They gave wrong in the book. Whatever they gave I took, but this is 3 by 2 I think children. Shall I keep 3 by 2 and do children? Because all answers are coming weird answers. I don't accept. Children, I think printing mistake children. They gave I wrote, so but 3 by 2 children. Now we will see 3 by 2. Children, see this is 3 by 2. So this will go here 8 by 9. 8 by 9. Now you tell me children, 9. Now you are getting correct. See children, now you are getting correct. 9 twos are 18. 18 by 8 is how much children? 18 by 8?
2.22.
9 by 4. 9 by 4 means 2.25. This is fantastic answer children. This is correct answer. That's what I'm worried about. From that time I'm not happy, but even then I'm telling children because this is not correct answer. How can it be less than here? And here children, velocity of light in water, how much we took? 4 by 3. And velocity of light in water, how much we got children? Velocity of light in water is 2.25. 2.25 in 10 power of 8. Okay children, so 2.25 into 4 is how much children? 9. 9 by 3 is 3. So velocity of light in air is 3 into 10 to the power of 8. See now children, this is the correct answer. Children, there was a printing mistake, so I took like that and I was doing without any thinking also, but 3 by 2 children. See children, 2 by 3 if you get it is less than 1 no children. Refractive index cannot be less than 1, children. Refractive index is least is 1. I took less than 1 and I'm happily doing, and no one you are telling, and even I am not thinking. That's what, children. We should have a perfect command on the subject, children. Refractive index cannot be less than 1 because least is air or vacuum, that is 1. Less than that, no one is there on the set. Refractive index cannot be less than 1 because least is air or vacuum, which is 1. Less than the air or vacuum, no one can be there. You should know that, children. No one even telling, children. Sir, we are getting sleep. If you leave the class, we will go and sleep happily or thinking, I know. Okay, last two questions are there, children. Shall we do, or shall we do in next class, children? Yeah, we'll go in the next class. Last two questions are there, 26, 27. Tomorrow we will tell, children. Thank you so much, children. Okay, once give me your attendance and go on children. Evening everything. Thank you, children.